Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I am back with another video. Guys, this video is impromptu because I did my makeup for an IGTV video, and as I was doing it, I was like, girl, this content is fire and it's drugstore. So today's video will be a drugstore makeup video, and if you're interested in this neutral, natural, glowy, glam beat, glam beat, sorry. Anyway, if you're interested in this look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so that's all for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not part of the gym squad, then what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Make sure you subscribe down below and become part of the gym squad. That means that you're committed to loving yourself authentically and living a positive life. So without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys.